how to join Nike affiliate program on Awin. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the affiliate program of Nike on Awin. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Awin, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Awin, it is a prominent global affiliate marketing network that connects advertisers with a vast pool of publishers, facilitating a promotion of products and services across diverse industries, in which the platform also offers advanced tools for tracking, reporting, and managing affiliate campaigns, making it easier for brands to reach their target audiences and for publishers to optimize their earnings. And also, Awin's user interface allows publishers to browse various advertisers, programs, request partnerships, and track their performance through detailed analytics. And aside from that, the platform's innovative features include AI-driven publisher discovery tools to suggest potential partners based on specific goals, enhancing the efficiency of campaign management. So from here, to create an account, you can simply choose to view the advertiser plans. Since we're trying to create an account as an affiliate, then you will be directed in here, in which it will show in here some of the plans they offer. We have here Awin Access, Awin Accelerate, and even this Awin Advance. So you can simply request the pricing in order to join to the affiliate program of this Nike. Since as you can see in here, it has an overview about the Nike affiliate program. However, to get into this, all we need to do is to simply sign up on Awin as an affiliate. And now by simply clicking the sign up button right here, we will be directed on this page. And as you can see, you have the option here to join Awin today and start earning money with affiliate marketing, or you could also sign up using your Instagram in here if you are an influencer. So let's start by signing up using our Instagram. By clicking this button, sign up here button, we will be directed on this page. And it will show us that we can simply connect our Instagram and become an Awin partner in just a few simple steps. But make sure that you also have a setup of business account on your Instagram account in order to proceed. Or you could also use your Facebook account, but make sure that you also connect a Facebook page at your business account. And after that, you can now simply sign in using your Facebook or Instagram in here. But going back on this page, and the other way is to simply join Awin today by clicking this Join Awin button, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And all we need to do is to simply fill out all of the required information starting to this account setup section, in which below here, if you scroll down, all we need to do is simply fill out this company name, tax residency, first name, last name, email address, confirm email, and also we are required to enter here our own password. And after creating our own password in here, just proceed by clicking the next step button to proceed. Then you will be directed on this page, which is the promotional type section. And all we need to do is to simply fill out again the required information, including the primary region, the promotional type, such as the content, display, email, and even search section. But at this point, let's say I'm going to choose the Peru as my primary region. And for the promotional type, by clicking this content, you can select either for cashback, communities, and user-generated content, comparison engine, and many more. But I'm going to choose content creator and influencers, and also editorial content. But you could also select here more than one or more than two depending on your preferences. And now for the display, you also need to select here some of your answer by checking these boxes with your ad networks, contextual targeting, direct traffic, media brokers, mobile traffic, and many more. So after selecting your preferred answer in here, we can now proceed by clicking below here, in which, as you can see under email section, all you need to do is to simply select a maximum of 3 choices. We have here lead generation, newsletters, and retargeting as an email. But I'm going to choose lead generation. Then we can now proceed by going to the search section after choosing. And from here, you have the option to choose comparison shopping services, direct linking, domain parking, mobile search, and many more. So basically, after selecting all of your answer under this content type, just click the next step button to proceed to the next section. And now as you can see, we're currently under a promotional space. So from here, just fill out again the required information, including the promotional space URL of your website, the description of it, and even the sectors below here. And as you can see under finance and insurance, you can choose your either credit cards, insurance, loans, mortgages, personal banking, property, savings, and investment. While under retail and shopping, you have the choices to choose either audiovisual, automotive, baby toddler, books and subscriptions, and many more. So after selecting all of your answer on this section, you can now proceed by going to the telcos and services in here, in which you have here a 22 option. We have here dating, B2B telecommunications, network operators, and many more. While under this travel, you can choose either airlines, airport, car rental, coaches, and many more. And by clicking the next step, which is the verification section, from here all you need to do is to simply enter here your country, your flat, building number, street name, city, postcode, and many more. So basically, just fill out here all of your address details, and after that, you can now proceed by going to the next step or by clicking this join our network button below. And after that, you will be directed on this page right here, in which all you need to do is simply fill out all of the required information for your payment details in order to check out the $1 payment in here. You can also check out using your Google Pay. However, you could also start enter here your card number, your name on it, expiration date, security code, and even your billing address in here, in order to start paying for the $1 fee to join to Awin affiliate network. And after that, you will be directed on this Nike affiliate program where you can start joining to the affiliate program after successfully creating your account on Awin's. From here, it will show you the overview about this affiliate program of Nike, and below here it will show you some of the reason of why you should start promoting Nike. And now in terms of commission rate, by clicking this commission option, from here it will show you some of the commission rate they offer. We have here 7% for full price plus Nike buy your products, while for sale products they offer 4%, same as on full price plus Nike buy your products when a promotion code is active, while 3% for the sale products when a promotion code is active. And aside from knowing the commission rate that you will get upon joining to the affiliate program of Nike, you also need to remember or understand these terms and conditions before joining to the affiliate program of Nike, in which you need to ensure you comply with all the rules around using Nike branding, promotion codes, and product launches. So let's say you've now successfully applied your application as an affiliate on Nike UK. The next thing that you need to do after you've been approved as an affiliate of this brand Nike is to generate your unique affiliate links for Nike products from Awin interface. And you can use those affiliate links of Nike products on your website, blog post, social media account to promote Nike products. And if one of the customers try to click the link and start ordering or purchasing product from Nike, you will earn a commission in here. But make sure to optimize your strategy based on your performance data to maximize your Nike affiliate earnings. But overall, that is just basically how you can join Nike affiliate program on Awin. Thank you.